Hi, I'm Carlos. I'm part of the Metrics. We are a developer and consulting group that can help your business to automate tasks for office and for anything that you do in PCs. Okay, so today I'll show you what's the video talking about. I'll show you how to use ChatGPT, this new tool that everyone's talking about, uh, and how to use this tool to make your productivity and your work easier. If you do website development or you're learning website development, this will help you a lot. So how can we use it? The way to use it is to just ask him like uh, what's what is a good website development. So ChatGPT is really persuasive in certain ways, but you also have to have your critical knowledge and see like some things that are true. For example, user experience for sure. This is important. Content for sure. Speed, security. The website should be secure with proper measures in place to protect user data and prevent hacking attempts. Search engine optimization for sure. If you want like to sell, if you want like your blog to be read, you need to use SEO. Accessibility. The website should be accessible to all users with disabilities with adhering to accessibility such as web content accessibility and guidelines. This is really important, and Google makes a lot of that. I also would consider this like uh, the different ways that we will see on web and on phones, so it's different in this way. Analytics. Analytics is really important here because the website should have metrics and we can help you with this for sure. So for today, I will show you like the usual way that I would design a web would be like H HTML, and then you go like docs. But this is a better way, right? Like this even needs work to do. So we just ask ChatGPT create a simple website for a business. Okay, all code. And sometimes when you ask this, uh, ChatGPT will suggest what you should do, but you should ask him more specific. Like if you know already some code, you should ask for this, like write HTML, CSS. So using HTML and CSS, create landing page, and there we go. Like instead of going through all that by yourself, like debugging, you have already a template, and that's the power of ChatGPT. Like it's not perfect for sure, but it's like it gives you an idea. For example, what we can see here is like uh, it's creating a welcome to my landing page. You can change this. Get ready to discover amazing products like this for a store. As I see this template. Learn Ipsum. This when you use this is because like you should replace this text. It's like this is the standard way you write a paragraph. Just to put some text is an example or an abstract way to say that there should be uh, a text. And here is the CSS. CSS is for like the style of the website. So here is defining the URL, the header, like the color. And to see how this looks, I will just copy this, and yeah, even here like I have to check this. Like here was good, but this is really different, right? So here I'll just save it like I have already here. Oh, I'll show you. Like I'm running it in localhost. So what's the localhost? This means like I have a Apache and MySQL running in my PC. So I'll go to htdocs, and here is the website I have here. So for this time I'll just put it on I will put it on Sapali. This is a project already doing it, or maybe if it's easier, let me try maybe dashboard. I think no, this is for my local site. Yeah, this is good enough, my local site. So we go to my local site. This is what you have. So it's not identifying this local site. So like let me try this then. This is the one I always use. So for this I'll call okay. So go there. I'll call this landing page. Landing, just landing HTML, and here you have to save it as HTML, and this is what we have so far. Landing, let me see, should we need the HTML here? No, I think I need the HTML. This should return everything we just asked, so I should say like my template. Welcome to my landing page. So now we will put CSS, and you will see like how it changes. Like here the CSS just small details, like the CSS have a name here, so let me see how is the name here. Yeah, so here's how we should call the CSS. Okay, now we go to our output from chatgpt, and let's just save it. Okay, and just like that we refresh it, and we have already a nice landing page. Yeah, simple as that. You can customize here, for example, landing page, welcome to my example store, and get ready to discover amazing products. Then yeah, and this is everything you should change, and from here like it's what you want. Like you just have to change the HTML here. You have already a good point, and you don't have to use all of this. So this is one example how to 10x your productivity creating a website. Do you have any comment or ways that you think you have used ChatGPT, or like any suggestion to the community? Let us know, and we are here to help you as well. Thank you for that, and see you in the next video. Take care.